Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow root gel. First, gather your ingredients: 1/4 cup of dried marshmallow root and 2 cups of distilled water. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a fine mesh strainer, and optionally, a natural preservative. This simple method ensures a smooth, effective gel for various uses. Next, combine your dried marshmallow root with the distilled water in your clean jar. Make sure the root is fully submerged. Cover the jar tightly and let the mixture sit at room temperature. Soaking for at least 4 hours is good, but for a richer, more potent gel, an overnight soak of up to 8 hours is ideal. Once your marshmallow root has soaked sufficiently, it's time to strain. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer into another clean container. For an even smoother consistency, you can strain it a second time through a layer of cheesecloth. Gently squeeze the root to ensure you extract every bit of that wonderful, slippery gel. Your marshmallow root gel is now ready. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. Without a preservative, it will stay fresh for about 1 week. If you added a natural preservative, you can extend its shelf life to approximately 2 weeks. Enjoy your homemade, soothing marshmallow root gel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.